Hey dolls! I recently got a bunch of 90s makeup from Karity, and they have come out with a whole line of 90s inspired makeup. So I thought I would try it out today, guys, and I put together this 90s inspired look. I was inspired by Brenda from 90210, Shannon Doherty, the original OG bad girl from back in the day. Her and her brother Brent, I don't remember her brother's name, but she had a twin brother. They showed up on the show. They showed up on 90210, the TV show, and caused all kinds of drama in Beverly Hills. She's the original bad girl, original OG, up to no good. So that's who I based this look off of today. So let me know what you guys think. If you want to see my transformation, how this all came about. Are these real, or did your girl actually cut her hair? You guys, did I really commit to the 90s that much? Watch and find out, guys. So just keep watching to see my 90s makeup transformation. And guys, if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. It helps me out so much. And so just keep watching to see my 90s makeup transformation. So guys, I did my hair last night, and I woke up today and I was feeling very Shannon Doherty, 90210 Brenda vibes. So, and then I got this new top here from Motel Rocks. Wait till you see it. It's so, I love it so much. So I was like, yes, this is a 90s kind of day. Especially, I also got this new makeup collection from Karity. It's their 90s inspired collection. And they came out with the most gorgeous lips to go with it, 90s inspired lips. So I'm going to use some of these colors today and my Karity lips from the 90s. These are so amazing, and they're $6, vegan, cruelty free, long lasting. So I'm going to use some of those 90s inspired Karity lipsticks. So let's just get right into it, guys. I feel like in the 90s everything's very matte. There's not really a lot of shimmer except on the eyes going on. So I'm going to go ahead and mattify my skin as much as possible. I have no makeup on, so this is just a MAC pore filling stick, and it mattifies Prep and Prime pore refiner stick. So this has no color, so I think it'd be really good, because if you guys ever watched 90210 and seen Brenda, she was very pale, very dramatic. She was a bad girl, right? She's the original Bad Girls Club. I'm liking that so far. I feel like with 90s makeup, you were going to lose a lot of the fun stuff that I do appreciate about today's makeup, like the shimmer, the highlighter. You guys know I love all that. There's not going to be any brows. There's not going to be a whole lot going on, but actually it's going to be harder than, you know, it looks to create the 90s look. So I'm just going to take some of this. This is the Le Blanc de Chanel Sheer Illuminating Base. This is just makes your skin, ooh, oh damn girl. I just poured out a bunch. This makes your skin very, very white and pale looking, which is great. It's a look, you know. A lot of times nowadays everybody loves to be bronzed, you know, without the sun, with makeup. So, you know what, this is something different. And so it's fun, and it's great to be pale. I'm pale, actually. You know, you guys probably have seen me. Well, I'm not that pale, but I am a little, you know, I'm on the paler side, and I love to warm up my skin, though, with bronzers and tanning cream. So today, I'm not going to do that. So this is a really pricey product, but I don't even know if they sell these kind of products anymore, because, like, nobody really wants to be super bright white, I guess. I guess a lot of K-Beauty, though, they do have brightening serums and stuff. So actually I do have a nice K-Beauty brightening product. It's Pore Putty. Pore Putty K-Beauty. It's very brightening if you want a really bright look, and it's not expensive. So there you can see I'm already getting much more paler. Pale skin is awesome. All skin tones are awesome. I used to hate my pale skin, though, guys. I used to hate it, and I used to go tanning, and that was really bad. So let me let this sink in, and I'm just going to do my brows. I'm not going to do a lot, though. I'm not really going to overdraw my brows like I usually do for this look, but I am going to just brush them into place with my spoolie, and then I'm just going to fill in what I have, so I'm not going to overdraw or anything fun like that. So I'm just going to take this CoverGirl pencil and just pretty much just fill. I gotta watch myself, guys, because I want to go, yeah, they didn't even do that. I don't even know if they would have did all that. Okay, a little bit. Just filling in where there's any any gaps, but I don't think we're gonna be able to do even more than that for this look. And even the front brows, I don't think. I like to push them up. I don't think they would have did that. I don't think Brenda would have did that, guys. In the 90s, people were actually making their brows really small, you know, plucking them out. You know, look at Drew Barrymore, Pamela Anderson. They just took their brows straight off. But I'm pretty sure that's all they would have did. You guys know I want to do more. So let's just put that behind us because I really want to go ham on my brows, but we're not. You're not allowed to do that. We're not doing that today. So, okay, let's do our eyes. I was actually going to use a shimmer eyeshadow for today because in the 90s they would wear a lot of shimmer eyeshadow all over. But I'm thinking for Shannon Doherty's look though, for the 90s, her 90s look, I don't think she would wear a lot of shimmer. So I'm actually going to use a white matte instead. So I'm going to take the James Charles and I'm just going to put that all over. Let's use our Karity palette now because they do love these kind of grays. So I'm going to take this color Bogus and it's just a matte gray shadow. And we'll just put the tiniest bit because everything is very like, you know, not too much. I better really buff that out because I don't even think she would. This is more this is going a little Pamela Anderson. I feel like that's all she would have done, guys. That's all she wrote. So let me go ahead and take now some black eyeliner and we'll just very, very lightly put that right up on our upper, smudge that into our upper lashes. So it's a nice soft cat eye. And then this eyeliner we want to like smudge out also because everything on the eyes is really diffused, but then the face, I believe, the face will do really matte. And this is a eyeliner that I just got from Ulta. It's from Sleek Makeup. It is so amazing, guys. And it was only $7. So, and it's like an amazing dupe for a MAC. So I'm going to work on my face a bit, guys. Sometimes I just like to jump around, you know. So I'm going to take some cream foundation. And I got this Kevin Aucoin, King of the 90s Makeup. Such an amazing artist. And I'm just gonna put this on. I actually bought this foundation just for highlighting purposes. This is the first time I put it all over my face like this. It looks so crazy. I've never used it like as a real foundation. I usually use it as, like I said, a highlighter. But this is a Fenty concealer that I purchased just for highlighting purposes, but today I'm going to use it. Today we're gonna go ham with this baby. So let me go ahead and quickly set that before it melts away to nothing because I do feel like it's melting. So I know in the 90s powder puff was huge. So we're going to take our powder puff and just beat that face. Wow. So let me go ahead and let that sit a bit and I'm going to curl my lashes since I don't think we're going to get to wear lashes today, dolls. And mascara. Use this CoverGirl mascara. So I'm just going to pop on a little bit of the 90s classic, the MAC blush. So guys, now I'm just going to pop on this Karity lipstick. And this is in the shade All That. So this is from their 90s collection. So guys, I feel no 90s look, especially Shannon Doherty, would be complete without the bangs. So I'm going to go ahead and cut myself some bangs today. So let's see how this goes. I feel like the bangs were huge in the 90s. Everybody had them. So let's cut some bangs, guys. Wish me luck. I hope it comes out all right. Here we go, guys. Wish me luck. Ah! Oh my god, guys. Wow. That's crazy. I haven't cut my hair in so long. Okay, I feel officially 90s now. It was the bangs. You need bangs for the 90s. You do. So dolls, this is the finished look. This is my 90s makeup transformation. My Shannon Doherty inspired look, Brenda from 90210. So that's the look I was going for today. What do you guys think? Do you think we've achieved it, or what do you think of this look? Or do you prefer my regular look with the glam, the highlight, the glitter, the lashes? That's what I usually do, guys, though. Let me know what you guys think. Do you prefer this look? No lashes, kind of minimal eyes, very little contouring, no highlight, no lashes. I do miss my lashes. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I miss my lashes. I miss my highlight. I miss it all. Let me know what you guys think. Would you wear this look? Are you ready to put away your highlighter and your lashes and go for the 90s? Let me know what you guys, if you guys are gonna try this. If you do, tag me. If you make a video, I'm tagging you guys. If you're YouTubers, I want to see your looks. It's not as easy as it looks to put away your favorites, your nowadays favorites. So I do like these bangs, though. I do like the bangs. I feel like the bangs, wait till you guys see me next time I do a look. I'll have my bangs, contour, highlight, lashes. I think that's going to look really nice. It's going to be a nice combination of 90s and my makeup nowadays. I think that's a look that I'm dying to do, guys, to be honest. So I can't wait to do that. Maybe I'll go do that right now. Anyway, thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out with me today. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. It helps me out so much. Definitely give me a thumbs up if you like this look, and give me a thumbs down if you hate it. I want to know your guys' opinion. So I hope you guys are all doing good, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Love